softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion.
Okay, before you start twisting your hair has to be moist as in wet. So I'm going to first wash my hair. It is all dirty. I'm just from unplaiting my braids. I have to wash it clean and then start twisting. I'm going to use the glow shampoo to wash my hair, and this is the strawberry flavor. And then after applying the shampoo, I also have to apply this glow conditioner for like 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse it out. After that, I also have to apply this glow leave-in conditioner. After washing it clean, that's when we shall start twisting it when it is wet, for the springs to come out so perfectly. So without wasting time, let's get straight into it.
Fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? The hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you
hair clean. Yeah, thanks to blush shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in foam, making my hair clean. Like you can see, you may think it's already twisted, but I haven't twisted it yet. I'm just going to twist it right now here with you. So let's get straight into it.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan.
Alright guys, this is the end of the session. I'm really tired. It took me 2 complete hours to finish twisting my hair. My hair type is not straight and it can never be straight. Even though I try to comb it, it will still have those,
don't worry, I
don't know how to call them, but yeah.
I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden.
Oh my god. Yeah, finally. Tell me if you've ever washed your own hair at home and how your first experience was, because mine was really. And yes guys, thanks so much for watching till the end. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time. See you.